Let's grow our own food. Growing our own food is good for us and our community. It means we can produce our fruits and vegetables instead of buying them from stores. When we grow our own food, we don't have to worry about food safety because we know it is free of harmful substances. Therefore, to lead a healthy life, growing our own food is the best thing to do.